Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a smooth camera follow, like this. So where the player moves around and the camera pretty much follows the player around, just like this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need to do is create a new actor, which will be called the cam parent, and then you can go and unparent the camera from the player, and we can take the inventory UI and just parent that to the camera. And then next we're going to need to create a new script. Let's call it cam follow. Then in this script we're going to have to create position, vector 3, or oops, math.vector3. And a lot of this is going to be similar to the top-down shooter tutorial. Wait, that's what we want to do. Get actor, player, and then we want cam sub dot actor, and then last one is just a speed for the camera. I also lowered the speed for the player because I thought it was a little fast. So I'm just gonna make this 0.2 and have the speed for the camera 0.19. Oh wait, that's 0.02. It should be 0.019. Alright, there we go. And then now we can do this dot cam equals sub dot actor, or sub dot get actor, cam. And then down here in our update function, we want to do this dot actor dot look at. So we're going to make our object look at the player. And then we want our actor to move along its oriented Z axis by negative this dot speed, just like that. And then we want this dot actor to set the Z to something. Hold on. So in order to find this out, we're gonna have to go into here and find the cam parent, and we pretty much want it to be the same as the player. The player is 1, so we want that to be 1. And then we want this to be, actually I think it was 2. Yeah, I'm just gonna set this to 2 for now. And then we want this dot cam dot set position, this dot actor dot get position, and then what that will do it will set the camera parent to the position, or it will set the camera to the to the camera parent's position, if that makes any sense. So we want to go ahead and assign that. Alright, just like that. And then if we run the game, so there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. It's just a smooth camera follow. You guys can mess around with the speeds however you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you guys just leave a comment down below.